Hi, I'm Tom Heller, Production Manager here at Franklin Miller. And assisting me today is our Field Service Tech, Jonathan Taylor. We're going to be talking about the Franklin Miller Taskmaster 8500 twin shaft grinder. We're going to be talking about maintenance and operation. So, in the form of an overview, let's just start talking about the machine. There are three basic components or groups in the machine. First, we have the lower works. The lower works consists of the reducer adapter, top housing, bottom housing, side frames, and the twin shaft cutter assemblies and change gears inside, along with a drive coupling also inside. Making up the twin shaft, we have Franklin Miller's cutter spacer cartridge. This is a Franklin Miller patented item. It is made from a solid block of 4140 alloy steel, painstakingly machined to manufacturing tolerances as small as 1/10 the thickness of a human hair. Each one of these has 6 cutters, 6 spacers, all one block. Our competition? Take a look at that. For every 12-inch machine like this, there are 72 of those. 36 cutters, 36 spacers, 36 plus 36 equals 72 individual headaches. When this machine is assembled at the factory, these 6 cutter cartridges, same stacked height as 72 individual pieces, are tightened one time and one time only. That's at the factory before it leaves. That is the only time you will ever have to tighten that stack. Let's talk for a second about the bearing seal cartridge, another Franklin Miller innovative design. These parts that you see on the table represent the parts that are in this assembly. The bearing, a lip seal, the mechanical seals, O-rings, a rotary gland, and the stationary gland and bearing housing. All fit together, factory assembled, totally replaceable. O-rings on the outside to seal off the environment. O-rings at the joint between the reducer adapter and the reducer to seal out the environment. The reducer output is coupled to the Franklin Miller lower works via a Franklin Miller solid steel 3-jaw coupling. This coupling half mating with the coupling half that is already assembled inside the reducer adapter. And the motor is coupled to the reducer via a standard Lovejoy coupling that fits right on the motor shaft. Now, we need tools. Standard tools to service this machine are basic. A set of hex keys, commonly known as Allen keys. An adjustable spanner wrench. An adjustable wrench, commonly known as a crescent wrench. A 3/8 socket wrench. And a dead blow hammer, commonly known as a soft tip hammer. And lastly, a common tape measure. Things that you should be wearing and thinking about when you work on any mechanical assembly and a Franklin Miller grinder. Always wear a hard hat. Always protect your hands. Leather work gloves would be something that you would want to have. Safety glasses. That is mandatory. Heavy boots. If you are a person my age, maybe a little bit younger, you would want to seriously consider using a back brace. These things are heavy. they don't move easily. A chain hoist makes the job a lot easier. And last but not least, extremely important, lockout and tag out of the power source at its source, at its origin. Wherever the power comes from must be disconnected, locked out, and tagged out. And you must be sure that that has been done before attempting the service of a Franklin Miller machine.